everyone, I'm Gabrielle. We are a family of 3 who love to go into adventures. Emily and Papa are fond of filming our trips and eventually decided to share it with you all. We hope to inspire you and join our journey. We are the family side trip. Come on guys, it's gonna be fun.
We spent our Easter Sunday last month at one of the popular beach destinations here in the UAE, Kite Beach Center, Al Quwain. It got a laid-back vibe, plus it's super Instagrammable. Their cabanas are fully booked, so we came as early as we can to have our own sunbed because it is on first-come, first-take basis.
Is that relaxing?
I'm in the shade.
I like the shade. Wanna go to the beach na?
The water was rough, but that didn't stop us from having fun, especially Gab. All we did was splish, splash, play, eat, and repeat until sunset.
What are you eating?
Pizza.
Pizza?
Yeah.
What about the other one? That's the other one.
Well, pasta.
Pasta. Which is here? The pasta or the pizza?
Pizza.
Where's Gabriel? Hey, no Gabriel, no Gabriel.
Aside from being a perfect spot to chill by the beach, it is also a well-known location for water sports like kite surfing. Advanced booking is preferred, especially on the weekend as they get super busy. For those beach lovers out there, you shouldn't miss visiting Kite Beach Center, Al Quwain. Next week, we will take you to an indoor rainforest here in Dubai. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.